today we've both bought ourselves, not ourselves, we've done them for each other. So I've done one for you, and Mum's stolen a chocolate, and YouTube can now know Mum's sins. But yes, so it was actually really cute though, wasn't it? So
It's good, that.
like you just do your own, put little chocolates in, but they've got like different flavours, haven't they?
Yeah.
Like different flavours in than they would in normal. Like they have like tiramisu
Yeah,
and raspberry and cream.
and the white chocolate with the chocolate in.
Oh, like
the
milk
strip.
and
Yeah.
white, yeah. So they had both of those, so yes. But it's exciting. We never usually have advent calendars. Like last year, I didn't have one, neither did you. So we've done one for each other. So that was a cute little Christmas present for each other. So yeah. How stunning is this? It's gonna be too cold.
It's not going out.
Oh, maybe freezing. Freezing.
Show off your muscles again.
Gym girl. Look at the colour and the gold.
And it's
Do you think
extra
it
small
would
and there's
fit?
one there. It's meant to be because there's only one there. I need some
Not really like a slipper gown though.
Yeah, I quite like doing mine because I wear mine
So
outside.
don't wear them outside then. That might help. Currently snack shopping in Boots. I'm gonna get one of these Trek protein bars. Mum's debating whether to get this, but based on the fact it is that big.
Yeah, it's small. It's tiny, look.
What do you think?
Either that or one of those.
It's up to you whether you want Bounty.
How much?
Just try the Bounty. It's good. Okay. Wow, that was eventful. We got our little advent calendars.
We did.
That's cute.
I'm glad we got those.
I've been wanting to try these for ages
Yeah.
because I keep seeing the packs in Sainsbury's, but because they're part of a 3-pack. I don't want to buy the 3-pack and not like them. So, we'll taste test.
See what they're like.
I can't open it. Oh yeah, you have to try that as well.
Yeah.
It's got zinc in it.
Oh, it's nice. You want to try some?
Just open my flapjack. Mmm. Look at that. Well, I'm such a vlogger. Look how cute that is. Looks like a proper like tray
Yeah.
bakery.
Quite nice.
Oh, that smells like. What does that smell like? Like Oasis vibes.
Yeah, it's quite nice.
Oh yeah.
Like that.
When you first drink it, it definitely tastes like an Oasis, and then you've got the like aftertaste of like the yuzu, which is basically just lemon, isn't it? Well, taste test, and we'll have to cheers it.
Okay, let's have a look what this is like.
You've had them before. We've bought the
Have
packs
I?
from Sainsbury's, not the Bounty ones, obviously. It just definitely looks like. Show the camera. Vlog.
Looks like a bounty.
Definitely. Okay.
Nice. Didn't get the pack of 3 now.
I have wanted to get the pack of 3 for a while, to be fair. Want to try some?
Try a bit.
Not biting into it. That's so small.
No. Oh yeah, that is nice. Wow.
9 grams of plant protein.
One might thought it's gone.
It's the same with any chocolate bar these days. Mm.
Oh,
So-
I do like them.
Mm.
Let's get some of them.
It only
Oh,
comes
yeah.
in packs of 3 though.
Mm.
It's the only thing. I have to just buy more packs because they do this flavour. I think they do like an orange and a salted caramel, maybe. Just about to drive home. It's going to take ages.
Wow.
And I don't like driving in the dark. So, this is going to be fun.
So if we can get to some roads that you know, it'll be better than that.
But, never mind. We'll end up home probably sometime. If there's no vlog for a while, guys, we didn't get home. But yeah. Right. Just got back from work. It's been a really long day and I'm not in the mood, basically. But perks of working. Work life. Free cakes! So, we've got a little loaf cake, red velvet, and these like, I don't know, they're meant to be like,
They're crispy.
they're meant to be like, they're called billionaire slices, I think. But they're vegan. So, but I think they're going to be a bit much. Not really a caramel fan.
Might be okay.
Ooh, they smell nice though.
They've got crispy bottom though.
Mmm.
Oh, no,
Ooh, wow. Oh, wow.
very nice.
No.
Oh no, not too much.
I think there would be. If you get a whole one.
Not so chocolatey. I thought they'd be really chocolatey.
I thought the caramel would be a bit much, but they're not. I want to see inside that. No, cut it in the middle.
Oh, that's soft.
Yeah, it's cream cheese.
Is that?
Mum, you put cream cheese with red velvet.
Oh.
That's why I said cut it in the middle.
Oh.
That's cream cheese. Oh, that smells good.
Oh no, those are nice. You have to have it with a cup of tea.
It doesn't really taste like red velvet. It tastes like the muffins. You know, the raspberry and white chocolate muffins. I quite like these, to be fair. I think I'm more of like a tray bake than a cake person. That is why I bought those ones, because I thought you'd like them. It's currently 8:20. I wish it was 8:20. 6:20. And plan is we've got dogs to walk. And then come home, do some tea. Jam is on. But we're meant to be staying up. Because the boxing's on. But we'll see how that goes. We knew that was never going to happen.
I think if it was like 11 o'clock, it's like 1 o'clock in the morning. Mind you, it might wake up. Oh no, not too much.
I think there would be. If you get a whole one. Not really a caramel fan.
Mind you, it might wake up.
Like these Dinner is served, so we've got chipotle chili chicken with some peas and crispy potato. Obviously, with copious amounts of mayonnaise, but yeah. And we're going to watch. I don't know, probably Slow Horses. Me and Mum are really into that at the moment because there's a new series, like, what would you call it? Like season? Isn't that like the American way though? New series, but it's not new. Do you know what I mean? Like new series.
Yeah, new.
But then that sounds like you're saying that it's brand new.
Yeah, we're on season 4.
Well, no, it's 3.
Or is it 3?
Yeah. Season 3. And yeah. Oh. Got to pee. Sunday evening now, isn't it?
Yeah, it's Sunday evening, 4 o'clock.
We're about to have a little afternoon snack. We have, she would have seen what we did this morning, but we have since grabbed a Starbucks, of course, after our walk, and then we went and did the food shop, and then we've just had some lunch. We have restocked the fridge really well, actually.
Just doing my fruit tea.
You were made for YouTube. But yeah, so I've got some meal prep to do. We're going to do some spicy pasta again. You will have seen on my last vlog that we did spicy pasta last week, but it was really nice, so I'm just going to do it again. But I don't know whether to I think I might put the chicken sausages in it.
Yeah, that'd be nice.
Instead of the tuna. Do some chicken sausage spicy pasta. And then, yeah, basically just chilling, really.
Watch some TV.
And watch some TV. But yeah, I've got. Are you having a shower tonight?
Yeah, I'm not gonna.
I don't
No. Not gonna wash my hair.
I might have like a little.
I need a new hair dryer.
Dyson, you know where we are. But yeah, I think showers and then I'm a celebs on tonight.
Oh yeah, that starts tonight. 9 o'clock.
Be in bed by 9. But yeah, so meal prep to do, and then tea. Maybe a little walk if the rain's gone off for a little pooch. And then yeah, that's our Sunday done, and then the week starts again.
Work again.
Oh, back to work. Love it. But yeah, so basically going to end this vlog here, I think. We had quite a nice little day on Thursday, didn't we?
Yeah, we did. Yeah.
But we can update the vlog. That we bought them.
Yeah.
So they were actually on offer in Tesco. So we got the white chocolate and raspberry off, and then we got smooth lemon. So I thought those would be quite nice.
It's nice.
Because what was the other one? What was the other one in the blue packet?
Can't remember what it was. Was there a blueberry one?
No, they didn't do a blueberry one. But it was in a blue packet, like this bit here was blue. But I don't think it was caramel. I can't remember what it was. But I thought these two would be really nice. Well, obviously I know that one's nice. And those ones I think will be really nice. But yeah. So I might have, which one do you want?
I might try.
Tried it before.
I haven't. Oh no, I have tried it. Should I try the lemon one then?
Should we both try lemon? We're both going for lemon. Fucking open it. Oh, I broke the back. But yes, so we're going to have our little bars, and then we've got some exciting things to sort out.
Yeah.
Some exciting things that is going to happen.
Yeah.
We're doing it.
Yeah.
Definitely. The vlog can know now that we're doing it. You don't know what we're doing, but we're doing it. And yeah, it's going to be a good year next year.
Yeah.
A good year of new things. And yeah, exciting times ahead. But yes, thank you so much for watching this vlog. Obviously, do give me a like and subscribe. But yeah, thank you for following on this journey. This little, I don't really know what I've just filmed, to be fair. It was quite a while ago, Thursday. But thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Bye.
Brooke, say bye. Bye.